and we have lots many shops for ships right inside the Swaknang waterfall. As you can see, this is the symbol of Swaknang waterfall, and we have this so many food stall right here, especially for ships. So let's go. If you are in this Swaknang hill, please, you must enjoy all kind of ships right here, potato ships as well as another kind of ships right here in this Swaknang hill. Get under this van for I forgot the name again. Chanthaburi, not Chanthaburi. What is the name called? Chanthaburi. Chanthaburi right here? Kanchanaburi. Yeah, I forgot the name. Kanchanaburi. It's time to go back again from Kanchanaburi right here. I'm just sitting on the pen. So hot, so tired. I'm really exhausted.
Ew.
Yeah. Nice.
You like
Swaknang waterfall, train ride, river, and have lunch and many more fun inside.
thanks, babe. I'm kind of making
This Kanchanaburi here, so if you have time, please come here and have a fun inside the whole city of Kanchanaburi. So let's go to have another destination right here. Now we are getting another activity. Yeah, okay, thanks. See, this is the front gate of the Kanchanaburi War Cemetery, 1939 to 1945. It takes 6 years to build. So that's the view of the War Cemetery right in front of me in Kanchanaburi. So as you can see, must come here and have a look inside. There may be prisoners of war. So that's the view of the Kanchanaburi War Cemetery front gate. Okay, that's it. So simple, so nice. This is a resting place up Thai. As you can see, is W. Muller, the East Surgery Regiment, 12 November 1942. It is from the World War II. As you can see, this is the resting places, looking so nice. Get empty, just resting the soul, resting the body of the Thai as well as British Army right here on this area. So it is one of the cool place to visit and have a look around the whole area. So everything is quite except the wheel sound of the car buses right here. As you can see, this is the main road, and all these are the resting places. And right here in front of me, W.I. Adamson, the Garden Highland, 20 March 1942, age 23, taking in things, 10 arms, O Lord, and grant him eternal rest. Yeah, we need to respect the army veteran, and this is the place for eternal rest for the army officers, soldiers. Okay, that's it. So simple, so nice. This is a resting place up Thai. As you can see, is W. Muller, the East Surgery Regiment, 12 November 1942. It is from the World War II. As you can see, this is the resting places, looking so nice. Get empty, just resting the soul, resting the body of the Thai as well as British Army right here on this area. So it is one of the cool place to visit and have a look around the whole area. So everything is quite except the wheel sound of the car buses right here. As you can see, this is the main road, and all these are the resting places. And right here in front of me, W.A. Adamson to Gordon Highland, 20 March 1942, age 23, taking in things, thin arms, O Lord, and grant him eternal rest. Yeah, we need to respect the army veteran, and this is the place for eternal rest for the army officers, soldiers, all designed queue, and there may be I don't know exactly how many resting places are there, maybe more than 1,000, if maybe I'm not sure about that. So that's the whole place, and everyone come here to see and pay respect the army veteran right here in this eternal rest place in Kanchanaburi. Yeah, I remember the name. I always forget the name, Kanchanaburi. So that's the pictures of like right here behind the resting place of the state. Here near of CW Dexter Army Service Corps, 11th October 1943. He died at the age of 34 in the World War II. This is the whole place, as you can see. The place is so quite calm, and if you are in Kanchanaburi, please visit this area because it is one of the great reasons to see and pay respect our army veteran right from the World War II. As you can see, people are in the queue and they're just watching their heroes right here. So that's the view of the whole area.